Hi there, and welcome to this helpful tech guide. If you're concerned about apps collecting your data, today's video is for you. We'll walk you through the steps to stop the Skyscanner app from using your personal data to improve your experience. First, open the Skyscanner app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Then, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings. Next, tap on Data Settings to open the Privacy and Data Control options. Scroll down the list of options until you find Improve your experience. Finally, toggle the switch off to disable this feature. This prevents the app from collecting additional data to personalize your usage. And that's it. By turning off this setting, you take one small but important step toward protecting your privacy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tech privacy tips.